You don't need any additional apps to edit your Reels. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Reels all within Instagram. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, a digital course video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach video production to service providers so that they can film once to teach many. If you have a course idea and want to learn how to film yourself, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have new videos out every Wednesday. So today I'm going to show you how to edit a reel all within Instagram. There's two different edit modules available and they both have their perks. However, the old one I'm noticing is not available in some of the newer phones or if you update your Instagram, so it might be slowly being phased out. But for now, I still have it, you might have it, and I'm just going to show you how to use both and what the advantage of using both is. So let's start. I have a bunch of clips I already filmed for a different reel. I'm just going to film one more just so you can see how I film them. I'm just going to grab a quick prop. And then just film that going out. Perfect. To access your clips, you're gonna see a back button beside your record button. So your record button is the middle button on the bottom. You'll see preview, and then you're gonna see this back button with an image from that clip in it. So you just click on that and you're brought back to the edit menu. So you can see I have two options when I look at each of my clips. The first one is the trash can, so I can throw that out. And the second one is a pair of scissors, and those allow me to trim the clips. When I press on the scissors, I only have two controls for trimming. I can only adjust the beginning and the end of the clip. So you can see here I have all my clips, so I can go into my clips, and if I want to trim a transition, I can adjust the end of it so that it ends at the action, and then I go to the next clip and I can adjust the beginning of that clip so that it begins on the action. So you're able to, basically in this edit module, you're able to delete clips, you're able to trim clips, but that's about it. The other thing I really like about this edit module versus the other one is that when it plays a video, it only plays that particular clip and it'll loop that clip over and over so that you can see if you like how that clip shows up on your phone. So let's go done there, and then to enter the new and the other editing module, you press preview, and then you'll see here at the bottom it says edit clips. So you click on this and this is how it allows you to edit clips. What you'll notice with this, just to start off, is that rather than repeating the same clip over and over, it starts by going through the video. So it shows everything from the beginning to the end. So it allows you to see the flow of your reel as you're editing it. I can click on any of these clips individually, and then once I click on them, I have two options. The first option is to trim the beginning and the end. So you can see I have those trimming options available, or I can delete that clip. So let's go back, and then I can go on to any of the clips and I can do that. And then the other thing that this has when you go back is you can see at the bottom it either has add clip, it's going to bring you back to your camera roll and you can add a clip that way, or you have reorder. This allows you to change the position of the clips, so you can rearrange the order that your clips will play. Once you're done that, you can click on any of the clips and you can still adjust it. Once you're done adjusting it, go to back all clips, and this is gonna let you, if you push the play button, you can see what the video is going to look like as a whole once it's done. So this new clip that I filmed doesn't make sense with the rest of it, so I can click on it, press delete, let's discard that clip, and now they're all back in there. And let's add these clips into the right order so that they make a reel that makes sense. So I just need to move this one to the front, and there you see, they're all in order. I can press done, and once I'm done editing my clips, I can press done, and then you'll see that the menu appears on the top of my screen. With the menu on the top of the screen, I'm able to do actions to the entire video. So the actions that I'm able to do is, the first one is to save. I can save the video to my camera roll as is. I can add music. So currently it only has original audio. I can add a song. Say I add that song in that particular spot. I can change the volume output of that song. So I can reduce how loud the song plays, or I can reduce how long my audio is within it. The next one is voiceover. I'm able to add voiceover. For voiceover, I just put my cursor to the part in the video that I want to do the voiceover, and then I start talking, and on this area, I'm gonna have this voiceover. You can see once you record that voiceover, this red indicator is gonna cover that portion of your clip. So you know that that already has it filmed on it. If you like this entire clip, then you can keep it. If you don't like it, you can press the back button and it's gonna allow you to get rid of it. But what you could also do is, say you like the beginning part of your voiceover, but you don't like the end. So you can just move the cursor to where you want to start recording another voiceover, and then start recording it right on top of that to fix any mistakes that you might have made within your voiceover. So let's say we like that, we're done with that. The next effect for editing is effects. This is very limited because it doesn't allow you to choose any effect you want. Instead, it's going to give you some options, and these options change all the time. So you're very limited to what they have available to you. Oh, this one's cute. There's some snowflakes falling. Sometimes they're relevant to your video, sometimes they don't make sense. So you could get lucky and it looks great, but the main part with effects, if you want to get an effect that you want to choose, you have to record it with that effect. With this happy face here, you have captions and GIFs, so you can add anything you want to your reel. Let's say I want this Christmas hat and I want it, let's add it on, see when the bulb, let's add it on one of the bulbs. There we go. With all graphics, you'll notice that they'll appear here at the bottom. You can click on them, and then it's going to have the same clip cutting thing as it does for when you're trimming your clip, except you're able to trim the duration of that graphic. So I can adjust the beginning of the graphic. So you can see, you can preview it. So there, I can have it show up only when that bulb is there, and then cut it. Similar to trimming clips, you can only adjust the beginning and the end. You can't cut out sections. Then you have your writing. So if you want to write something on top of your reel, you're not able to change the duration of the writing. So whatever you write on top of your reel will stay for the full duration. I don't typically use that. And then finally, the last one is text. And same as adding any graphics, you can add your text, position it where you want it, click on it, and trim the beginning and the end of that text. Once all this is done, you're done editing your reel and you're happy with it. All you do is you go to next. You're allowed to edit your cover shot, so adjust how you want this to appear in your feed. Done. You can crop that image. You can zoom in and out to see how you want it to appear in your feed. And then once you're done, you can just share your reel. So there you have it. Now you know how to edit your reels in Instagram. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!